Hi everyone, I'm Maricho Petrosky and today we are going all of our recipes are on our website ad-free at happyfeetsandpaws.com.
Let's start with removing the seeds and skin of half of a medium-sized squash. Cut them into bite-sized pieces. Put them in a separate container, rinse, then set it aside. Now cut both ends of two medium-sized bitter melons or gourds. Slice them in half and carefully remove the seeds using a spoon. Then cut them diagonally to your desired thickness. To reduce the bitterness, soak them in water with a tablespoon of salt. Then set them aside until ready to use. Cut or chop the rest of the vegetables including okra, eggplant, and string beans. Soak them all together with water to lessen the bruising. Now let's coat 5 ounces of shrimp with 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix them well until shrimp is completely coated. Now let's chop another 5 ounces of shrimp. Mince them very finely with a butcher knife or a food processor. Put the minced shrimp in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce or patis. Mix well, then set aside for later. This will be our shrimp paste substitute. Now let's cook the shrimp. Put 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large wok or pot heated. Carefully lower the shrimp and cook them over medium-high heat for 2 minutes or until golden. Turn the shrimp over and cook the other side for equal time. Transfer to a paper towel lined bowl, then set aside for later. Deglaze the wok and heat a tablespoon of cooking oil. Cook half a pound of pork over medium-high heat for 3 to 5 minutes or until golden brown. Flip them over and cook the other side for equal time. Push the cooked pork to the side and sauté half of a medium onion sliced and 5 garlic cloves crushed. Sauté them until onions translucent and garlic cloves are fragrant. Add and sauté the strips of ginger root. Then stir them all together. Push them to the side and add more cooking oil as needed. Add 1 large tomato chopped and the minced shrimp with fish sauce. Cook the minced shrimp for a minute or 2 and stir them all together. Then add 2 cups of water. Give it a good stir to well incorporate. The squash cooks longer, so we will add them first. Cover and bring to a simmer for 8 to 10 minutes over medium-high heat or until the squash is soft. Check every 4 minutes and stir them occasionally. Continue to simmer until the squash is fork tender. Strain the bitter melons or gourds, then add them into the wok. Mix in the rest of the veggies. Give it a good stir to combine. Cover them and simmer for another 8 to 10 minutes or until the veggies turn soft but still crunchy. Take a peek and stir them every 4 minutes. Soften the veggies to your desired doneness. Turn the heat off and add the cooked shrimp. Give it a good stir once again. Season with ground black pepper and you may add more salt as desired. If you like a bit of a kick, garnish with a dash of chili flakes. And top it with some kosher salt. And there you have it, my vegetable stew or pinakbet without the bagoong. Serve them warm with rice or eat them by themselves and enjoy!